Hi, I'm Shawn Decker. I am a sound artist who lives and works in Chicago, and I'm here visiting Patty to do a 3-day workshop. Okay, so the workshop we did this week at PaTV, the students didn't have really any technical background, so we kind of stayed away from any kind of technology. But what I tried to do was to give a broad introduction to what we call sound art, and a lot of that is rooted in technology to some degree. So we covered, the history of the tape recorder, the early history of electronic music. We covered some ideas about acoustics and what sound is. We talked a lot about what hearing and listening are, and kind of the differences between those. We kind of focused around Pauline Oliveros' deep listening practice as a way of kind of getting at some of those ideas of beginning to do some what I would call ear training, learning to listen to sounds in a more open and inclusive way. And then we segued into doing a little bit of work with performance. So the idea of, which is kind of what happened in the history of sound art, that once these kind of unusual and otherly kind of sounds began to permeate electronic music, they also began to permeate live performance and kind of the use of everyday materials to make sound. So today we just finished with 3 performances that were quite lovely, that used all manner of everyday objects to make sounds that were organized in small groups of students. In this exercise, if you any of us raise our hands, we will go around and ask what everyone was listening to exactly. So you need to be able to describe, if you are focused on something, what is it? Birds song? The birds, yes. For me, it was the bus stopping, the squeal of the brakes.
문 닫는 소리였을까? 카페에서 뭔가 포크나 숟가락 같은 게 부딪히는 소리, 걸음소리, 화장실에서 물이 돌아가는 소리가 들린다. 전기 소리도 위에서 들린다. 엘리베이터 소리.
Theme 2. Okay, 3 and 4. So that piece, I don't even know what the duration of it is. I think mostly when I've seen it performed, it's about 40 minutes long. And this is for a solo performer, and it's often done by memory. So it is quite the virtuosic thing to see done live.
Because it's all empty, and I have to put something in to create that, whatever that is.
Right.
So the emotions and the length of it, and
Have you done this already with your own? Yes. You did, okay. So I would shoot for maybe 5 minutes with maybe a timer. Somebody raises their hand. Maybe don't use a timer. You've now kind of done this 5-minute thing enough times, maybe you sort of know how long 5 minutes is now. Maybe not.
소리가 일상적인 소리인 만큼 그 소리를 특별하게 들을 일이 없는데 그 사이에 이제 그 여백의 공간들이 있음으로 해서 그 소리들이 훨씬 더 이렇게 잘 들렸다고 할까요? 더.
And it not only amplifies how impressions is what you already mean, but just to make it. And thank you all very much. It's been just absolutely wonderful. Oh, you're very welcome. Very welcome. Very nice.
One eye like this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Which eye?
It doesn't matter.
Oh.
Okay. Just one eye. Once again, this is for Instagram.
So we switch eyes now. The other eye.